Hello and welcome back to Learn with ABmom. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to make a question using what with the be verb. Now remember, when we have one thing we have to use the be verb is. What is it? Now look here at this picture and tell me, what is it? Yes, it's a single watch. It is a watch because it is one thing. I have to say is and I'm using a. It is a watch. And it is, the contraction is it's. It's a watch. It's a watch. Let us have more example. What is it? What is it? It's a cap. It's a cap. It's a cap. Again, look here. What is it? It's an egg. It's an egg. I have used an because egg starts with the vowel E. It's an egg. If you have any doubt regarding a and an, you can go back to my video and the link is there in the description box. Okay, if we have more than one, we are going to use the be verb are. And don't forget to add s at the end of the word because it's a plural, more than one. Now let us have a look. What are they? What are they? The answer will be they are watches. They are watches. Remember, I have added es to watch because it ends with ch. If you have any doubt regarding this, I have already made a video. You can go to the description box. The link is there. Let us have more examples. We are going to look at these pictures. Remember, the answer should be with it's a or they are. Let us look at the first one. What is it? What is it? It's a key. It's a key because it is a one key, so I have used is. What are they? What are they? They are more than one key, so what will be the answer? They are keys. They are keys. What is it? What is it? It is one chair. So the answer will be it's a chair. It's a chair. What are they? They are more than one chair. The answer will be they are chairs. They are chairs. What is it? It's a cat. It's one cat. So the answer will be it's a cat. It's a cat. What are they? There are more than one cat. So the answer will be they are cats. They are cats. I added s at the end of the noun. What is it? What is it? It's a house. It's a house. What are they? What are they? There are more than one house, so it will be they are houses. They are houses. Now let us focus on pronunciation because we have to speak these sentences fast. English speakers are very fast and quick in speaking English. So repeat after me. What is it? What is it? It sounds like one word. What is it? And the answer also is very fast. It's a. It's a. Repeat after me. It's a. It's a key. It's a cat. And if we have more than one, we say, what are they? What are they? Repeat after me. What are they? It sounds one word. Now when you answer, they are chairs, they are markers, they are keys. So this video was about how to use what with the be verb is and are. I hope this video was helpful, and if you like it, share it. Love and peace to all.